question, the state is not opposed to bail or bond in the matter.
We are praying for lenient bond terms. Actually, Your Honor, maybe to state this case should have not reached before you, because I'm aware that the OCS had already dismissed this and sent it into the elders to go and discuss the matter of the court. Because it is a dispute involving her husband, the husband's girlfriend, the side chick for that matter. She's the wife to the man. They met in town. Unfortunately, she says she met the complainant with the husband at some compromising situation. An argument rose, and that is how she ended up being in court here. This thing was already dismissed by the OCS, and they were told to go and settle in court of court. I'm aware that the complainant wrote a letter to the phone and written the OCS, and that is why it ended up in court today. This is a mother, her child is here. Actually, she was taking the child to the hospital today. She's not at flight risk. I'm here on the behest of the father, who is our village elder. They happen to be coming, all of them from the same village. And I'm here on pro bono. And therefore I'm praying that she be released on personal bond, so that we go try and settle this matter of the court. Or if the court can't, for any reason, can't release on personal bond, I'm praying that she be given a cash bill of 5,000 shillings, which we can pay, and we hopefully by the next mention we shall have settled this matter.
To court number 7 for hearing and determination. The accused may be released on bond of 50,000 shillings with one surety of a similar amount of cash bail of 10,000 shillings with one contact person. She will be supplied with copies of witness statements, the charge sheet and any other documentary evidence that may be relied on, and will be mentioned on 12th of August for pre-trial. So that one will be returned, and maybe you can use it. Yes.
Sababu mimi mara ya kwanza nilienda nje 001 na nilikuwa kwa kasi na nilienda Sierra Leone. Since nitoke Sierra Leone 2002 bado sijaenda nje. Na tena kusummon na pia ulikuwa na summon mwingine sio. Kwa mimi sijapata any summon.